Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this creamy Parmesan mushroom steak with stir fry Brussels sprouts and carrots. So right here I have roughly about a pound of strip line steak. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt to taste. Also gonna add some pepper to taste. And I'm just gonna pat the salt and pepper in, just to ensure that the season infused to the steak. And I'm just gonna do the other side the same. Just gonna pat it all in. And I'm just gonna take the excess season off the board just to ensure that this steak is very flavorful when finished. So right here I have some creamy mushroom, as you can see right here. I already washed it and cut the stem off. Also I have a shallot right here, 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start slicing my creamy mushroom in some thin slices. Trust me, I can't stop loving this knife. Thanks again Chef Sack for sponsoring this knife, right? For my bigger creamy mushroom, I just cut it in half and slice it sideways, as you can see right here. Also my shallot, I cut that in half as well, and I'm just gonna thinly slice my shallot and then start mincing it. I actually love the flavor that the shallot add to this recipe, trust me. And for my garlic, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna finely chop my garlic, as you can see right here. With my stove on medium high, I'm now going in with 60 grams of unsalted butter. Also gonna add my finely chopped garlic, and my shallots. Wow, guys, you should be smelling the garlic and the shallot with the melted butter. Trust me, it smells so awesome. So now I'm going in with my creamy mushroom, and I'm just gonna saute my creamy mushroom for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. So now I'll be going in with 1 cup of heavy cream. Also gonna add half teaspoon of oregano. Also 1 teaspoon of dry chives. Now I'll be going in with some black pepper to taste. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And guys, this is optional. You don't have to add this, right? I just need mine to have a little extra kick to it. Now I'm going in with half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. As you can see, I didn't add any salt because the Parmesan cheese is salt enough. Wow, this is packed with so much flavor. Alright, and to top it off, I'm now going in with some freshly chopped parsley. Alright guys, just take a look at this. Just look at this. Just tell me, this don't look delicious, huh? Trust me, this is so creamy and so delicious. With my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I'm just going to take a brush and brush the oil all over the surface of my skillet. So now that my oil is hot, I'm now going in with my steak, and I'm just gonna sear it on each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm now gonna go ahead and turn it on the side, just for the side to get a nice crispy finish. After finish searing my steak, I'm now gonna go ahead and remove it from the pot. Now for my vegetable, I'll be going in with 60 grams of unsalted butter. Also gonna add 3 cloves of minced garlic. This recipe is perfect for all you keto diet fans, and also for those who just want to eat healthy. So now I'll be going in with my Brussels sprouts and carrot. And as you can see right here, I already went off camera and washed and also cut my Brussels sprouts in half. And I'm now adding it to my pot, right? And guys, trust me, I'm just addicted to smelling the garlic and butter. It smells so amazing. So now I'm gonna add a little salt to taste. Also gonna add a little black pepper to taste. Also half teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of dry chives. 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And I'm just gonna blend it all in. And guys, trust me, this is very flavorful. Alright, so here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test. And guys, look how this beef is tearing apart. Very soft, very juicy. Look at it. Alright, so I'm just gonna dip up some of that creamy Parmesan mushroom sauce. Look. Wow, ain't this amazing? Look how beautiful this look. This tastes so delicious. I can't even explain. I wish if your taste bud was my taste bud, you'll be tasting what I'm tasting right now. Look at it. A perfect medium well steak, right? Yum. Trust me, this is so delicious. Alright, so now I'm gonna try the Brussels sprouts. Right? So I'm just dipping up some of that sauce. Look at it. Wow, amazing. Trust me, amazing. Alright guys, if you happen to reach thus far in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Boom.